This design provides excellent lift capacity, eliminates the need for an anti-torque tail rotor, enables operation in tight landing zones. The fuselage is long and sturdy, made of a semi-monocoque aluminum alloy, built to endure harsh environments and heavy loads. The rear of the Chinook features a large cargo ramp, allowing easy loading and unloading of vehicles, artillery, and large equipment. 3. Power and performance. Modern variants like the CH-47F are powered by two Honeywell T55GA714A turboshaft engines, producing around 4,733 horsepower each. This gives the Chinook top speed, 170 knots, 196 miles per hour, 315 kilometers per hour. Range, 400 nautical miles, 741 kilometers. Maximum gross weight, 50,000 pounds, 22,680 kilograms. Payload capacity, 24,000 pounds, 10,886 kilograms. That's enough to carry vehicles, howitzers, or more than 30 fully equipped troops, either internally or slung beneath the fuselage via cargo hooks. 4. Cockpit and avionics. The latest CH-47F model features a glass cockpit with digital avionics under the Common Avionics Architecture System, CAS. Pilot